Hey guys, update. The car has been sent down to the paint shop. It is Saturday morning and it is a very chilly winter's morning, a little bit before 8 a.m. here. I'm on my way down to the paint shop now to see the guys paint the car. So yeah, very excited to see the car finally get painted. Obviously it's a big step forward and we can actually start putting the car back together rather than stripping the whole time. So yeah, it looks like in my mind, obviously, it's always like you're going forward once the car's painted. You know, everything up to that, you keep pulling stuff off and you keep going a bit backwards. But again, that's the process. Anyway, cool. Let's get down to the paint shop and see what's potting there, and hopefully they're about to spray the car when I get there. Hey guys, so we're at the paint shop now here at Tableview Coachworks. My buddy Warren here is hooking us up with the spray booth, and his spray painter Brandon's going to give it a shot of paint for us. And yeah, there's another gold one that's in the booth at the moment that Brandon's busy painting, and once that one's done they'll roll our green one in, and the guys are busy taping it up as we speak, so it shouldn't be too much longer before it's in the booth and it's looking a lot more like a car rather than a patchwork project. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. For me, it's the most exciting part of a build is when, like I said, when paint gets on it. So yeah, looking forward to it. So hopefully by the end of today, this thing looks a lot better, and we can spend next week putting the thing back together and get it on the road soon. So yeah, exciting times. Anyway, let's get cracking. All taped up. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're in the booth, just busy heating it up to temperature so that we can get a nice finish on the paint. As you can see, the car's been pushed in and taped up, and Brandon's busy mixing paint now, so we're going to have colour start going on here in the next 5-10 minutes. Looking forward to that. Anyway, here goes. Hey guys, so we're in the paint shop in the booth, busy mixing paint. Brandon's over here is going to give the car a coat for us. Got the gun loaded, giving himself some wings before he goes ahead with it.
Yeah man, let's do this.
Yeah, cool. So you've mixed up all the thinners and base coats and everything?
Yeah, so we've added the reducers to the base coats and everything. Once we put the coats down, I'll come back in and do some clear coats and yeah, put some clear coat on the vehicle, and let's see how it turns out.
Should be good. Alright, we're going to get you guys on time lapse. Let's get this going. Okay guys, bit of an update. Finished with the base coat, now I'm about to hit it with some clear coats. Anyway, here goes. update. The car's painted, base coat, clear coats, everything's on the car, so it's looking good. I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. Brendan's done a lacquer job on it, so yeah, I'm very stoked with that. Did you want to explain to us what you went through with the coats and everything?
So yeah, what we started with was first a 70% coat on the base. Let it flash off for about 5 minutes. Then we did a full 100% wet coat on the base. Again, let that flash off for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then the effect coat, which is like probably about 60% coat, just to even out the base. And then 2 wet coats of clear with a bit of a flash off in between the 2 coats, and came out nice and smooth. After it's dried, probably give it about a 40-minute bake, and then after that we can flatten polish it and get a good glass finish.
Yeah, then I can take it back to the shop and start assembling all the windows and all the lights and grills and bumpers and the rest of it.
Yeah.
But no, I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. It's obviously done in the booth now, not in my little dingy workshop. So I think it looks a lot better than what it would have been if I'd sprayed it down by my side. So, dude, thanks a lot. It looks awesome.
100%.
A big thank you to Warren here at Tableview Coachworks, letting us use the booth and learning me spray painter. It looks awesome. I'll show you guys in the next video. But anyway, I'll catch you later. Okay guys, so I'm leaving the panel shop now. Obviously, like I said earlier, I'm very happy with the way Brendan sprayed that car. It's looking good. We're going to let it dry over the weekend and I'll come collect it Monday and start putting it back together. So that's the plan of action now. Yeah, and obviously, like I said, once it's got a coat of paint on it, it looks like you're actually getting somewhere and you can start piecing it back together. So that's the part that I'm excited about. So yeah, anyway, let's leave it till Monday and pick it up and get it back together. Hey guys, back at the shop. Got the green golf out. Obviously, last we saw we had it in the spray booth. So now it's time to reassemble so that the car can be polished. Obviously, we need all the windows and stuff back in. So when we polish the car, we're getting spray going all over the interior and stuff. So I want to tackle getting all the glass back in the car now, and then as well as all the roof lining and everything that was pulled down to do the filler work on the roof. This must all get glued back there, and then the trim can go back on. In the front here, we're not going to put the door panels on now because the mirrors need to wait until after the car is polished. Once the mirrors go back in, then we'll do the door panels and whatnot. In the back of the car, obviously there's no mirrors or anything, and the door handles screw on from the outside, so that's not a train smash. So we can assemble the back doors complete. Obviously, once done, this needs to go for a valet, and then as well, yeah, here as well, also the lining needs to go back. I've already got the glue and everything for that, and obviously rear window wipers won't go in, the rear boot button and key barrel won't go in because obviously so they can polish that. Lights will go in. Plastic trim molding here will stay off for the moment, and obviously fender and stuff this fender will also get bolted. The other one's on with 2 bolts, so that'll also get fitted properly. Only thing still left to go purchase is 2 headlights and a grille, but that'll probably be the last thing I do. And then the bumper is still at the paint shop. It wasn't ready for paint when we sprayed the car. They were still busy doing the plastic repair or plastic welding, so they'll probably spray that when they get a chance. So I said to them, no rush on that. When they get to it, they get to it. I just need to get the rest of this all sorted first. But anyway, so I've got all the glass and rubbers and everything put out over here, so I'm going to get cracking and get the stuff in. So it's a bit of an update, making steady progress here. I pulled the back window in, and then the windows down this side, they're still a bit dirty, but obviously when we polish and wash the car, we'll sort that out. So I've got this side in. At this point I need to go get the screen in, but I need to get all these trims glued up first. So I think that I'll get the glue out now and then tackle this, and then as well as like I said, I finished these doors, so I may as well get this done, that I can put the trim back here. Let's see, up there it's all loose, so I need to sort that out. Yeah, like I say, before I head home today, I want to make sure that this thing's able to be washed, so all the glass is in, that you can wash and polish, and obviously get it finished. Thereafter, then we'll go crack on with the door handles and the mirrors and all the finishing trims and whatnot, and then get the wheels on. Obviously, there's something to be painted and tires fitted, but that'll be the last thing that we do. But for the moment, get all this stuff done, then we can go back to the paint shop. So anyway, I'm gonna get the glue out and be cracking on that and get it done. Okay guys, so I have glued all the roof lining and everything, and I'm ready to put the screen in the car. As you can see, I've got some rope here, and like I put the back screen. Basically, we just run the rope down the inner lip right round, and then we overlay it on either side. And then once we put it into the car, we basically just pull one side of the rope, and it flips the end of the rubber there over the little lip around the frame on the car, and that's what holds the screen in. It's a pretty primitive method. Most cars these days are actually glued in, but on the Golfs, I think it was from the Mark III onwards, they were glued in. The Mark 1s and 2s were all this rubber pull method. So yeah, inevitably when you have an accident, the windscreen just goes popping out. I've crashed my race car like that once or twice before, and on impact the screen disappears. So when I had that big crash with the truck and the Mark, also driving a Mark 1, obviously the screen just disappeared on impact. Okay guys, as you can see, the screen's in, a little dirty from being in storage, but nothing some window lean won't sort out. So yeah, that's all in. This side's in, the back's in. The driver's window obviously was broken in the accident, and I've just looked at the glass that I've came out the other door, and it's clear glass. Whereas if you look at this one here, I don't know if you can really see it. It's called anti-sun glass. There we go. There's a clear one. So it's got the anti-sun tint in it, so it's a little bit okay, sun here. It's a little bit like it got a green blue tint to it, and the one that came out of the donor door was clear, so it's obviously going to be, it's a day and night difference when you see the two next to each other. So I just need to go check my stock of glass upstairs and see if I've got the main piece of glass for the driver's door. But for the moment, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to put the small front one in and sort out the back door, and once all that's in, I'll go check my stock and see if I've got one to put in today. But worst case scenario, I'll go get one from the junkyard and whatever, and see, get it in afterwards. Or I'll just put the clear one in for now, just to close the car up, that we can get it polished and get the rest of the stuff ready, and then just swap it out when I get it. So anyway, that's the plan of action, so we can crack on and get the rest of those in. Hey guys, bit of a update here. Unfortunately, the post that fits in here that separates these two windows is damaged, the one that was on the car, and the replacement one that I got, when I try to fit it now, I realized that it's not a right side, it's a left side. So unfortunately I can't fit that, and today being a Saturday, most of these spares yards or junkyards only open till midday, and unfortunately it's already past midday, so I won't be able to go sort it out today. So I'm gonna have to leave it for in the week. So I think I'm gonna call it a day and put the cars away and just head home, enjoy the weekend, and I'll get cracking on this again in the new week. So anyway, I'll catch you guys then.